Ever had your laptop die right when you needed it the most? Imagine yourself on a long flight halfway to your favorite movie and suddenly bam, your battery dies. Frustrating, right? Well, today I'm here to save you from that nightmare. Let's dive into some awesome tips to extend your laptop's battery life, so you can keep going for longer without reaching for that charger. Adjust your screen brightness. First up, let's talk about screen brightness. Did you know that your display is one of the highest power hogs? By simply reducing the brightness, you can save a significant amount of battery life. Most laptops have a brightness adjustment function on the keyboard, so it's super easy to tweak. Imagine you're working late at night in a dimly lit room. Lowering the brightness not only saves battery, but also reduces eye strain. It's a win-win. Manage your background apps. Let's take control of those sneaky background apps. These apps can drain your battery without you even realizing it. On Windows, head to Task Manager, and on Mac, go to Activity Monitor. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Think of it like this. You're giving your laptop a well-deserved break, just like you enjoy a quiet moment after a busy day. Your battery will thank you for it. Adjust power settings. Now let's optimize your power settings. Both Windows and Mac have power saving modes that can drastically improve battery life. On Windows, you can find these settings under Power and Sleep, and on Mac it's under Energy Saver. Set your laptop to a balanced or even power saving mode for the best results. Imagine your laptop as a marathon runner, and these settings help it pace itself so you can last the entire race without running out of steam. Turn off unnecessary features. Another great thing you can do is to turn off features that you don't need. Things like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and even keyboard backlighting can consume a lot of power. If you're not using them, turn them off. Keep your laptop cool. Did you know that heat can affect your battery's performance? Make sure your laptop has good ventilation and isn't overheating. Using a cooling pad can also help keep temperatures down. Update your software and drivers. Keeping your operating system and drivers up to date can improve your laptop's efficiency and battery life. Software updates often include optimizations that make your laptop run smoother and use less power. If you really want to make sure, just read the release notes. If you find any updated BIOS driver of software versions. This also applies to games. If a developer fixed something and now your hardware will struggle less to run at the desired FPS, the less power it used. Undervolt. This is a more advanced optimization, but you can actually reduce the power used by your CPU or GPU by undervolting. This does not damage the hardware, but if you overdo it, you might hit a blue screen and have to reboot your laptop. Undervolting might bring great results. If you overdo it, you might also limit your hardware's performance. But if you are in a scenario where battery life is the most important thing, it might be worth it to apply an undervolt during a trip or something like that, so you can watch a movie or something that does not need a lot of power. Again, undervolting is not damaging anything and it's not permanent. You are just running some piece of software that handles the undervolt, like Afterburner for GPUs. A small note, some patient people who tweak a lot can also reach a point of undervolt and overclock. Therefore, they get better performance with lower heat production and lower energy consumption from the same hardware. I made a video about doing this to a GPU a while ago, if you are interested about something like that. Dark mode. So if your laptop has an OLED screen, when it displays black, the individual pixels will turn off and save a lot of power. But even if you have a LED backlit LCD, some power savings are noticed, but not usually negligible, maybe 2 or 3 minutes if that. But yeah, newer laptops do come with OLED screens, and keep that in mind. So there you have it, folks. Simple yet effective ways to extend your laptop's battery life. Remember, every little change can make a big difference. Try out these tips and let me know in the comments how they work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this. Hit that bell icon too so you can never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Stay charged up.